How is soup kitchen evangelization different from street evangelization?
We're often set up in a place where people are eating lunch and they're maybe moseying around, they're visiting with each other. So it's easy for them to step over to our table and just kind of look and we say, "What would you like? How are you doing? This is all for you to, would you need a rosary?" It's easy for them to see that we're friendly. And we are able in the soup kitchens we go to go around and greet people and chat with them about everything and nothing, and then hopefully get to the topic of Jesus.
You can visit our website, evangelizationschool.com, for more videos and resources. God bless.